y'all, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here. I trust you all had a happy and safe Merry Christmas and a happy and safe New Year's. We are now in 2019 and I finally got my Christmas present to me in the mail. Check it out. I got a WEN 8-inch by 12-inch variable speed woodworking lathe. I also got the chisels to go with it. Very excited about this addition to the workshop. Right now we're going to move the camera and get it unboxed.
And here we are opening up the new lathe. As soon as you get the box open, there's the instructions. I'll go through those and see how to put this thing together. The lathe was packaged real tight. It couldn't move around in the box, so that's a good sign of the company, so I like that. Here we are getting it out, and it is wrapped in plastic, and I will let anyone know who is going to order and purchase this lathe. It is got a nice coat of that machine oil on it, and it got all over my hands. You'll see me grab a little napkin or something here in a minute and clean my hands with. But the bag was covered in the little machine oil, and I'm sure that's just to keep it clean and rust free during shipping, depending on where it's shipped. There I am cleaning my hands, getting the cord undone, and I'm going to start here in a second opening up all of the pieces from the bags. Again, packaged really nice, and all these had that machine oil on it too, so I'll get all these out and get it cleaned up and get it assembled and go through the instruction manual, and I will show you guys what it looks like when it is completely put together.
Here is the fully assembled WEN woodworking lathe, the 8-inch by 12-inch model. I've got everything on it except the tool rest here, and the reason I don't have that on there to block the view is I want to show y'all that fresh out of the box, the two center points line up exactly. I know that's real important for wood turning. As far as the tool rest goes, you have a little 4-inch tool rest for it, and then you have a 7-inch tool rest for it. You also have the knockout tool and the wrench for adding and removing the faceplate, as well as knocking out the center if it gets stuck. Also has a couple of Allen keys. Really impressed with the quality of this lathe. This is my very first lathe for the workshop, so I'm really excited to jump into this new craft. When I ordered this, I already saw reviews that some people didn't like the slow startup speed. Now I've got it plugged up so I can show you guys what they're talking about. We'll flip it on here. Some people that have turned wood for years and years said that they hated that feature. They wanted to hit the switch and go. For me, someone who has only used a lathe one time in his whole life, I think I will actually like that to get comfortable with wood turning. We'll see how that works. But here it is, the fully assembled WEN woodworking lathe. Again, there is the fully assembled WEN woodworking lathe. Really excited about that addition to the workshop here. That is not where this lathe is going to live. Of course, that's my workbench where I put stuff together and glue stuff up and put patterns on wood. So I've got to figure out where I want it. I might rearrange some stuff. The workshop is constantly changing as you bring new stuff in, take old stuff out. It's constantly changing and evolving. I'm not getting away from doing my scroll saw projects, guys. This is just something new that I wanted to learn and to pick up on. Also want to show you guys the lathe chisels I got. Hopefully they come up on camera. I know two well-known wood turners. One lives down the road here in Graham. His name is Mr. James Duxbury. You might know him as Jim Duxbury. He's a very well-renowned wood turner. He's an awesome gentleman, and he is actually the guy that showed me how to use a lathe for the very first time at this past year's Maker Faire. Very great teacher, very hands-on. I love that. Also, I know another gentleman that does very beautiful work on the lathe, and that is Mr. Nim Bachelor. If any of you guys recognize either of those two names, let me know in the comments below. I'm not going to turn anything on this video. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like fresh out of the box before it gets covered in sawdust. But that is all for this video. If this is your first time on my channel, please continue to like and share my videos, and if you haven't, please click that subscribe button. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.